Assalamu alaikum students. We will solve some numericals from our chapter electrostatics, and the numerical number 1 is the charge of how many negatively charged particles would be equal to 100 coulombs. Assume charge on one negative particle is 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 19 coulomb. Okay, so what we have to find here? They have given us the amount of charge that one negative particle produces, which is 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to power 9 minus 19 coulomb, and how many of these particles would make a charge equivalent of 100 microcoulomb. So that's what we have to find. Now we will write the given data. First we will write the numbers of negative charge particles. Numbers we will denote them with n. It is required, so we will put a question mark in front of it, and then we will write the total amount of charge denoted by q, which is 100 microcoulombs. There is a prefix micro. We will put its value and change into scientific notation, and it becomes 100 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6 coulombs. Okay, so now charge on one particle, which is denoted by E, it is equals to 1.6 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 19. So guys, it's very simple. For example, I give you 5 rupees and I ask you that how many of these notes are required. Notes of 5 rupees are required to make 100 rupees. That is the same thing which they are asking from us here. So what we normally do, we will divide 100 with 5 and we will get the numbers of note required to make 100 rupees. Same thing we will apply here. N is equals to Q upon E, and for the numbers of charges, Q is the amount of charge and E is for one negatively charged particle. Okay, so we will put the values, and we will use the calculator, and we have got an answer is 6.5 multiplied by 10 raised to power 13. Now we will move to the next question. 2 point charges Q1 is equals to 10 microcoulombs and Q2 is equals to 5 microcoulombs are placed at a distance of 150 centimeters. What will be the coulombs force between them? Also find the direction of the force. It is a very easy question, so we will write the given data. Here we have to use the Coulomb's law. Two things we have to find here: first the force and then the direction of the force. We will write the given data. The point charge Q1 is equals to 10 microcoulombs. We will change into scientific notation. As you know, for micro we will put 10 raised to power minus 6, and it becomes 10 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6 coulombs. Point charge Q2 is equals to 5 microcoulomb. We will change it to scientific notation, and it becomes 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6 coulombs. The distance between them is 150 centimeters. As you know, there is centimeter written here, so we have the information in centimeters. We have to change in this information into meters. We are going from small unit to a bigger unit, that's why we will divide it with 100, because 1 centimeter have 100 meters. We will divide it and we will get 1.5 meters. Now the force is required. We have to put question mark in front of it. As you already know that electrostatic constant K is equals to 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 9. So we will put the Coulomb's law here. F is equals to K multiplied by Q1 multiplied by Q2 over R square. So we will put the values. F is equals to 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6 multiplied by 5 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 6 over the square of 1.5, and after the calculation we have got we have got F is equals to 20 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 2. This is a scientific notation. We will change into the simple form and it becomes F is equals to 0.2 Newton. So this is the force of attraction between the two charges. Okay. Question number 13.3. The force of repulsion between two identical positive charges is 0.8 newtons when the charges are 0.1 meters apart. Find the value of each charge. So here we have the force of repulsion between the two charges, which is 0.8 newtons, and the distance. What we have to find is the charge, the value of charge we have to find, and according to this we will write the given data. Force denoted by F is equals to 0.8 newtons. Distance between the charges is equal to 0.1 meters. As the two charges are identical, so their value will be same. So we can write them as Q naught is equals to Q2 is equals to Q. We have to find, and we will put the Coulomb's law. F is equals to Coulomb's constant multiplied by charge 1 multiplied by charge 2 over the distance squared. And here, as you know, the two charges are identical, so we can take the square of them. So the formula becomes F is equals to K multiplied by Q square over R square. So what we have to find here, we do not want the F, we want this Q. Here you can see R square is getting divided by the Q square. When it goes to the other side of the equation, it will get multiplied with the F, and now the equation becomes R square multiplied by F is equals to K multiplied by Q square. Now K is getting multiplied with Q square. When it goes to the other side of the equation, it will get divided by F multiplied by R square over K. So the equation becomes Q square is equals to F multiplied by R square over K, which is Coulomb's constant. Now we will put the values. Q square is equals to 0.8 multiplied by 0.1 square. We will put the value of Coulomb's constant, 9 multiplied by 10 raised to power 9. So now we will divide it with the help of calculator, and we have got an answer of Q square is equals to 8.9 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 13. Here we have Q square. We will take the root on both sides, and we will have an answer of Q is equals to 9.4 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7. As the both charges are identical, so the Q1 and Q2 will have the same value, 9.4 multiplied by 10 raised to power minus 7 coulombs.